What's up? Have you seen your schedule?
No, not yet.
Check your schedule.
Okay.
So listen,
Daddy's blocked off this.
go shopping. Get you some outfits for this weekend. Get your hair done. And meet me at the airport Friday.
What's Pop Roller Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me? Hey, but listen, before we go any further, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. This is a very special video. This video is an early Christmas present for Lele. Christmas is in like 15 days. But Atlanta, we going to Atlanta. Atlanta got some
I'm tryna see what's Santa, bro. Came through spinning, now right this day at your house. Yeah. I'm tryna see what's Santa, bro. Came through spinning, now rain this day at your house. Wake up at the crack of dawn, go see what's under the tree. Tryna see what toys the elves take to the pole they make for me. Wanna rip open the Christmas wrap and see what it's gon' be. But at the same time, gotta clean it up, you know, gotta stay neat. It's a bullet season, new iPhone, up some Nike Tech. Posted a picture with my feet on watch, ain't like it. New walkie-talkies wanna be like me, okay, copy that. Green slimy fit on, yeah, I'm looking like the Grinch. New G-Wagon, candy red like the Santa sleigh, see who hoppin' in.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to Atlanta. Our first stop was to get something to eat. Cause you ain't ate all day, have you?
No.
She's starving. We getting some slutty vegan. Our first stop, slutty vegan. Deal with this Atlanta traffic and enjoy our trip in the A.
And it's my new toy, so no, you ain't getting it. No Kodak black, but it's watch realer than no flocking it. Remote control helicopter, no, you ain't flying it. I'm featured for a song, man, I'm trying to see who will. I'm done watching Thorax, so I'm finna slide to Whoville. In the back shop in your car, the speakers gon' blow like a missile. Yeah, I'm trying to get under the missile.
Alright, y'all. So I'm editing this video as I go. But first, we made it to our Airbnb. It was a dope trip. Then I had some slutty vegan. I was gonna do a review on this, but me and Lele, we kinda in a rush, so we just tried some. We got the sloppy toppy from Slutty Vegan, and we got the fussy hussy from Slutty Vegan. She don't like onions, so we don't got no onions in there at all whatsoever. But man, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, Slutty Vegan is amazing. It's amazing. You come to Atlanta, you gotta get you some Slutty Vegan, man. You gotta get you some Slutty Vegan. I'm not gonna lie. It's just so good. It's so good. But on this next clip, what I'm about to do is give y'all a house tour of our Airbnb. Because right after the house tour, I bought Lele some outfits because we going to the NBA game. She don't know yet. So I bought her some outfits for the NBA game. I laced her up and I want to see if she like my taste. You know what I'm saying? I want to see if she, here she comes. Check out this clip of the Airbnb and then we're gonna get into the rest of that rolling gang.
Lele about to get dressed. She eating the rest of the slutty vegan.
That's good.
Can you stay down here for a second?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go get some right quick.
Okay.
Listen. Alright, y'all. So. Alright. I set it up like this, right? I gave her a couple options. About to show y'all. All me. I swear to God. Nobody helped me. This was all me. I did this on my own. Right? So, you don't need to see in there. But bam. Let me show y'all. Can men dress their women? Leave it in the comment below. Can men dress their women? So this is what I got. We gonna go one by one. Check this out. So, you know, I got her a little sexy black dress. Two options though. One with a turtleneck, and then you got one with no turtleneck. I think she probably gonna go with the one with the turtleneck so she can wear her chain. Also, boom, I got the Givenchy short boots. But what I'm scared of with these is that, you know, her bottom legs is kind of big. So I don't know if she gonna be able to necessarily put her foot in her yet. And I accidentally stuffed them in my bag and kind of smashed them too. But I got her the Givenchy short boots, right? Then I know Telford popping right now, and I was able to look up on like a new Telford bag to go with it. And then I got the some stockings. These are the Crescent Moon stockings, I think is what you call it. But this right here is the piece that's gonna hit everything. Besides these Louis glasses, this right here is the piece that's gonna hit everything. I got the Louis Vuitton jacket, NBA edition though. NBA edition with the trophy, basketball, Louis V, the LV on the back. And then let me see. And then boom. Then that's on the back of there. So I'm about to tell her that she can come up here and I got something for her. I'm gonna tell her to put the outfit on so we can see how she look in there. But I do need to kind of get her reaction. Hold on. Lele! Come here! This is a big house. It's a big old house. It's 3 stories. Hope y'all seen that video. It's 3 stories. Oh shit, let me put this back in here. I'm sorry. Men be doing some shit, don't they? Fuck. Freak. Shit. I just jumped this stuff up.
Yeah, you clown. You clown.
You wasn't expecting that?
No.
Listen, when we came, I told her to go shopping. Y'all seen in the beginning of the video. I needed her to go shopping, but because I had an outfit planned for today, she won her first NBA game ever. We got some good seats. Only way TB do it. But I told her to go shopping. She got a bunch of other clothes. But I had this.
Glasses?
Yes, I had this in the stash. And I've never dressed a woman. Nobody, I never really asked a little woman, could I dress? I don't know. Like, I don't know if men dress women or nothing like that. But I came up with this look. And I just thought it'd be dope. The jacket is just the piece that hit everything.
Yes.
Like, it just kill it.
It hits.
It just kill it. So, she gonna put on her outfit. Y'all gonna see her. And then we about to go to the game. Because it should be getting dark soon. And we're gonna catch y'all after that. Rolling.
Later that same evening.
You almost got it.
2 hours later.
So how was your first NBA game?
It was amazing. I loved it. It was great.
Look at you. You got that shit on. We put that do a 360?
Excuse me, man. I'm sorry.
You came with it.
You came with it.
She about to leave me though and go with her peoples. We kick it tonight.
Just for a minute. I'm trying to see
I see.
what ATL about.
I'm about to edit this vlog we watching. And I'm going to the strip club.